What's up, everybody? Matt of Trades here. Alright, so we are just doing some more back testing, some live back testing. In fact, I'm just going to kind of get rid of the indicators we're not going to be using for this back testing, just to try to clean things up, keep it as simple as possible. Alright, I don't need these, and I don't need that. And I won't need the echo indicator. In fact, I won't even need the pressure. I'm going to keep the pressure up anyway. I just like having the pressure up. It's a good indicator. Okay, well, this strategy is pretty simple. It's not one that has set take profits. It's just kind of based off of what the price action is doing. And I've been doing some back testing on this particular strategy to now. So I'll show you the results that I've gotten so far. Bring that up here. So basically what I do is I get a random date generator and then back test those days, and this is between 7:30 a.m. and 9 a.m. Mountain Time is the times that I'm back testing here. And I'm keeping a set lot size of 10, and this is on gold, so that's a big lot size, relatively at least. Pretty big lot size, and just 10 lots per trade, and wins, losses, the P&L for that day, and then the total. And after looks like 30 trading days, we've increased the account almost $76,000. Win rate is 73.29% as of right now. So that's kind of what we're looking at so far. So pretty promising, and not getting too excited yet though, because I still have quite a few more days to back test before we have a little bit more results that are a little bit more definitive than what I have so far. All right, so basically what the strategy is, basically every time my thin orange line. All right, well, this is a 10-minute chart. This is a 1-minute chart. So basically, I got my T&T lines here, all of them except for the thick orange. Not using the thick orange for this one. And then I have my pressure line up here. It's not needed for this strategy, but I just like to have it up there. But every time the thin orange and the dotted blue line are going toward each other, or basically whenever they're facing opposite directions, I'm going to either be taking a trade or staying in a trade. And then I want the thick blue facing the same direction as the thin orange to enter the trade. And then my signal to get out of the trade is it's one of two things. So either both the thin orange and the dotted blue. So if I take a trade because they're I can't do it. Basically whenever I get the opposite signal is when I'll end a trade and then hop into the other trade going the other direction. Or when on my 1-minute chart, when I get a candle that goes in the opposite direction and closes above or past the body of the previous candle in the losing direction. And that'll make more sense once we get into it. But the next day I have to back test here is January 12th of 2022 is the next day. And just keeping a 500 point stop loss and I don't have a specific take profit, and that's just due to our exit strategy. We don't have set take profits. Okay. All right, so very first thing, I'll be kind of walking through what I'm doing at the start, and then as we kind of get into it, I'll probably just move forward and not explain a whole lot what I'm doing here. But very first bar at 7:30, or candle rather, thin orange is pointing up, dotted blue is pointing down, thick blue is pointing up as well. So we're going to go ahead and hop in. First thing, the strategy does give you a good number of trades, so that's good. All right, and then we click forward until we get our signal to get out of the trade. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention. So we only exit on the 1 minute chart if we're in profit. So this did close underneath the body, but we only do that when we're in profit. Yeah, otherwise we stay in here until these flip. So basically we're hoping to capitalize on large moves in the market. Okay, so now I close this trade. I just do that right there. Okay, so first trade, $1,340. Okay, and then I just wait for my TNT lines to line up again before I hop in. Okay, not yet. Okay, so now they are, so orange is down, dotted blue's pointing up, and my thick blue's also pointing down, so we're going to sell. Just before 8 o'clock. Alright, so now this is an example when I would get out, because this is just flips, so I'm getting out of this, and I'm actually taking a buy as soon as I get out there. Oh, hate it when that happens. Okay, so we're still in this one. There we go. Okay, so now I'm exiting here because I've closed underneath the body of the previous candle. So up 600 now. And then I'm actually going to buy again, which basically we solidify those profits and start a new trade because we still have our TNT lines telling us that the price is going to continue to go up. Okay. All right, and right here telling us to get out and also take a sell. Very nice. Okay, get out right here. And TNT lines are still telling me to keep going down, so we'll take another sell here. Okay, getting out right there as well. Still going down. And basically, I mean, you might just ask, well, why not just stay in the trade, close it out and start a new one? I don't know if it makes a huge difference, but I like the idea of just starting with a new trade with a new entry and locking in the profit that we already have. So it could just be a mental thing, but I think there is benefit in starting fresh with a new entry. Now the thin orange is pointing up, but I don't take that as an exit unless the dotted blue starts pointing down, which it just did right there. And we're actually thin blues down, thick blues up, so we're exiting this one and taking a buy. And we stopped taking new trades just before 9 o'clock. So taking a buy here. I should have exited out right there. Okay, still going up. Oh. All right, and with that, that's our exit. So first day is for a loss, so we'll go ahead and record our results. So 4 wins, 4 losses. I'll just show you how I do that. So 4 wins, 4 losses, P&L minus 1800. 74,040 is our new total. So 8/15/23 is our next day. 8/15/2023. Okay, so I'll kind of walk you through all of our trades on this day as well. Okay, so our thick blue isn't pointing the right direction. We always, at least when we're entering a trade, we want the thin orange and thick blue pointing the same direction. And there we go. Here's our buy entry. Alright, so that's our exit. It did barely just close underneath the body of that candle, so we'll lock in this. And we still have more to move here, looks like. Keeping an eye on my 10-minute chart. Okay, exit there. So that's why I don't want to exit too early, because gold does, it moves. It's a big mover, so it's a good, there's a good chance it can go back up and we can close it out for a win, which is what happened there. So now we're waiting for our next entry. Just waiting for this orange line to point the same direction as our thin blue, and now it is. Dotted blue's pointing down. We're good to take a buy here. Here we go. Got a good move. Keep going. Okay, close it out there. So $2,200 just in one trade there. And again, I'm lot size. I'm using 10. Like the biggest you could, the most you could lose in one trade here is $5,000 or I don't know. I kind of like to pretend that this is based off of a $100,000 account. So risking 5%. I haven't quite decided how I would want to manage my risk in an actual account just quite yet. I guess it depends on what kind of account it is. Is it, are you doing a prop firm? Are you trying out? Is it your own personal account? I don't know. And we need to determine whether or not this is a profitable strategy. It's looking pretty good so far, but I have a lot more back testing still. And we are still going for more in the upper direction here. And there we go. All right, okay. Got about $780 more there. Okay, now the market is wanting us to actually, we technically should have closed out right here because of our TNT lines over here. Not a big deal though. I mean, we lost a little bit there, but nothing crazy. We have a few minutes left, so we're taking a sell now. Actually, taking a sell right here. Yeah, well, you know what? Let's take it where we ended our other trade, just because it's a little more authentic, I guess. I don't know. Okay, 1 want this to keep going down. Okay, there's the 1 hour post. Weird things happen at 9 o'clock. Here we go. There we go. Awesome. So really good day, $5,800. So again, just kind of walking you through my process. Where did that was weird. Okay. Okay, so 5 out of 5. So 5 wins, 0 losses, $5,800 P&L, which brings our total $79,840. Yeah, there we go. All right, 8:30:22. Next day. Why is this taskbar here? What? Go away. What? That was weird. Okay, next day. Why did all my tabs close? Whatever. Okay, taking the sell. Get down. Wrong way. Down. There we go. All right. $830 there. Okay, now our thick blue isn't pointing the right way, so we're gonna hold off. Okay, still holding on. Oh, here we go. Right here, thick orange is pointing up, dotted blue is pointing down, thick blue is pointing up, which is what we're looking for. Oh, ooh. Market's really moving. Get up there. Get up there. Okay, so we're closing this one out for a loss. Immediately taking a sell. There we go. Okay, there's a good winner. And we can keep going down. Looks like. There we go. Very nice. Okay, so now our thick blue isn't pointing. In fact, I want to audit this. Okay, it still was. Okay, now it wants us to go up. Okay. Looks like probably gonna get stopped out here. Yeah. Oh man, and that just ate up all of our profits for that day, which stinks. Something we could possibly look at doing is, you know, if we hit a certain profit target, then just stop taking trades, and that might mitigate some of that, some of those eating up our profits. Might help our overall P&L. Something that's just fine tuning. And let's see, make sure we get a good entry. Yep. Last 10 minutes. Keep going down. No. Our exit would be right there. Woo! Wow, we were up 4,000 something, and then we ended up being down 3,300. That's a bummer. Okay, so won 3, lost 3. Minus 3,300. Our new P&L 76,540. All right, February 7th. Next day. And welcome to the stream. If you're new, feel free to ask questions in the chat if you want. Also, I believe last I checked, I was at 399 subscribers. So if you subscribe, you'd be the 400th subscriber. That's so special. Such a special thing to be number 400. Anyway. Okay, nothing. There it is. Take a buy. Get up there. Okay, close that one out. And we'll go for some more here. Ooh, okay. Let's get up there. Get back up. Oh! Oh, I keep wanting to do little movements right here so I can close it out and profit. Which also, oh, actually, this is good. So we close it out right here based off of our TNT. So we actually do get to lock in this $550. Heck, this might be one of those strategies where it's going to be like really good just to shoot for a target of a 1% return, which is $1,000 if we're assuming this is a $100,000 account, and basically go for 20% return on the month. But then again, I'm also up almost $80,000 after 34 days of trading just by doing it the way that I am. So I don't know. Okay, what are we doing now? Taking a sell. Bloop. Get down. Oh, man. Volatile. Doesn't want to swing back down our way. Come on. Okay. So this would actually right here be a fresh entry. Haven't taken two trades at the same time, but that's a good signal that it's going to keep doing what we want it to, at least. All right, close that one out for almost 1,200. So that's good. Again, welcome to the stream. So working on growing the channel, so if you like and subscribe, it sure helps. Okay, we're waiting for our orange line and our thick blue line to face the same direction before we're looking at taking any more trades. And if you are at all interested in trying out this program, the green charts, it's this link right here, light10.com/mat of trades. It's a $10 fee, but it actually ends up getting donated to a charity, which is cool. And then you get a month access, access to trading webinars and other cool stuff. Okay, take a buy there. There we go. Ooh, get up there. Hey. Woo! Look at that. Keep going. See, this is the exact kind of movements that you're looking for with this strategy. And yeah, almost $4,300 on that trade there. And yeah, seems to be working pretty good. What am I doing right here? Okay, we're not looking to go up anymore since our thick blue isn't pointing the same direction as our orange. So we'll just click forward until it is. All right, we're taking a sell now. Thin orange pointing down, dotted blue pointing up, thick blue pointing down. That's exactly what we're looking for. And it's also worth noting, it's just a little bit better signal overall when the blues cross. Watch me get wiped on this trade as soon as I say that. Come on, get back. There we go. let's get down close. Actually, what time? Okay, no, we took that trade a good time. It's just past 9. Okay, yeah, perfect. So another $800 there. So best day so far from what I back tested from this live session. Record our results. 5 good trades. Where'd it go? There we go. 5 good trades, 0 losses, 73.10. Now our new total is 83,850. 850. All right, next day is July 1st of 2020. Ooh. And again, the days that I've picked out were generated by a random date generator. It just kind of gives us a variety, different market conditions, gives a little bit more consistency and a little bit better results. All right, we're gonna hop into a trade. Buy first thing. Orange up, dotted blue down, thick blue up. Buy. Oh. And you know what? I kind of... Hold on. What happened here? Okay, still... Alright, yeah. So that took us out for the full 5,000, which always hurts. I've debated on... starting right at 7:30. That's when the stock market opens, and usually there can be some crazy volatility. I think starting at 7:35 is going to be a little bit better in the long run. But then again, if we'd taken a sell there, then we would have gotten well over $5,000 just in one, if that would have been a winning trade. So I don't know, it's probably going to go both directions. All right, officially taking a sell right here. Looking for this downward movement to continue. Ooh, what? See, those are just crazy bars. Candles. I always call them bars. Is that inaccurate? Look at candles. Ooh, see? We're already, we've already mitigated that loss. And this is just because the market is moving so much. So we're basically breaking even now. Now, hold on. You know what? I actually do want to... Let's go back to that trade. Well, let's see, where was that? I'm looking for downward movement. Where did we take that trade? Holy cow, oh man, I'm confused. Okay, so that's 734. So when we lost that one. So right here. Okay, and then, okay, I see what happens. There we go. So we entered right here. So the reason why I'm doing this one over is because we got a signal to exit earlier. Which might actually not be to our benefit. Well, let's see. Oh, darn. Okay. Oh, no. Nope. That's still pointing down, so we're not exiting yet. Oh, there it is. Okay, I just wanted to double check that we weren't getting signals to exit earlier than what we did. Okay, so I was right the first time. Okay. Moving on. All right, so we want... Okay, we're taking a buy now. All these are in line. Make sure stuff isn't moving around. TNTs are still good. Alright. Haven't gotten a signal to get out yet. Oh, that hurts. Okay, but we actually have a sell. Okay. Still selling. Get down. Okay, lock in that. And we are still selling. Get down. Oh, no, no. Right here is our signal to get out and buy. Let's see if we can mitigate our losses here. Oh man, ooh, that hurts. Come on, get up there. No. Okay, and that's our signal to get out. All right, so losing day. 3 wins, 4 losses. Where'd it go? Why does it do that? Three wins, 4 losses, minus 5,840. So we're back at 78.10. Okay. Whoa. Jeez. Put that back over here. Oh, wait, what? Why is my taskbar up again? Go away. Oh, I don't understand. Come on, taskbar. There's no reason. Why won't my... Okay, full screen, and... Okay, well, I don't know why my computer won't... My computer's being so weird right now. F11 should get rid of that. Don't know why it is not. Whatever. It's just kind of annoying. I really want it gone. Okay. Whatever, we'll deal with it for now. Next day, 12/9/21. I kind of want to start at 7:35. I don't know. Okay, we are buying. Actually, no, we're not. My blue wasn't facing the right way. And now we're selling. Here we go. Okay, close that one out. And again, we're closing. Oh, gosh, where did all my tabs go? All my windows closed. Gracious, I don't get it. Why? Anyway, because this closed above the body of the previous candle, and that's our signal to close on the 1 minute chart when we're in a trade. And we're going for more on the downside. Get down there. Okay, and we officially are getting the signal to close this trade for a loss and open a buy. get up there. A little more, come on. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, close that out for a profit, 1,500. And my thick blue and thin orange aren't agreeing yet. We're not going to take any trades until they do, which is right now. Right here. So we are in line to take a buy. Oh no. Okay. Close that out. Now we're taking a sell in the last 10 minutes. Whoa. Get down. Okay, that's a signal to get out. All right, so we lost 10 bucks. But broke even, essentially. Now, before I do that, so 1, 2, lost 3. Minus $10. So now we're exactly 78,000. I really, really want this taskbar gone. Still want it. Lets me extend it, but it won't let it. What? Whoa! Hey, it's gone! I don't know what I did to fix that, but I'm happy about it. Alright, next day, 1/14/22. Alright, let's take sell here. Okay, close that one out for a small profit, and we're still going for more. Okay, another close for some small profits. Still looking to go down. Thick blue changed right when we took that, which means actually right here is when, oh, yuck, and we don't even get a signal to buy. Oh, that's sad. Okay, now we have a signal to buy. Okay, close that for profit. Still going for more. Here we go. Okay, close that out for some profit. We've nearly mitigated our losses. And go for, looks like we can go for a little bit more here. Ooh, oh man. Okay, we should have closed this one out right here. Okay, so we're still down, but we do sell. Still looking to sell here. Come on, let's get into money. Oh. Come on. There we go. Here we go. Okay, close that out. Okay, I actually have a buy right here. Ooh, what? Come on, get back up. Ah, man. Okay. And just right there. Okay, so losing day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins, 3 losses. Minus 41.20, and that brings us down to 73,880. Let's see, all right, since we have started trading live, we've actually drawn this down a little bit. Oh, that is interesting. So this is worth noting. So right here, I accidentally forgot to change my 10-minute chart to 10 minutes. This is actually on a 5-minute chart. We're actually getting better results, at least on these days, using a 5-minute chart instead of a 10-minute. So that might be something to go back and look at, see if we get better results overall. But we're still testing the 10. We're not done. All right, next date is 1/27 of 2020. I do think it's probably going to be better to start trading at least wait for the signals at the post at like at 7 as opposed to 6:59. I think that's going to be better for us. Okay, you got a sell here. Okay, lock that up. Still going for more. Here we go. Keep going. All right, lock that up. Okay, we're not going for more. Now we're going for some in the upward direction. Here we go, lock that up. Oh wait, hang on. Yeah, still going for more. Okay, lock that up. Still going for more. Here we go, get up a little more. Okay, lock that up there. Awesome. Okay, now we just need our TNT lines to line up how we need them to again, which happens right now. Take a sell. Lock that up. Go for some more. Keeping a close eye on my TNTs. All right, we're gonna close that. Go for a buy. Here we go. Hey, there we go. Woo-wee! All right. Lock that up. Put it in the bag. We could actually go for a little bit more. Ooh. If I were doing this in real life, I probably wouldn't. Let's see, and right. All right, right here. Yeah, we lost 1,100 there. Probably wouldn't have done that in the live market, but hey, almost 6,800 in one day. I'll take it. Mitigates better the losses from the last few days. Let's see. Hold on, I gotta see what's going on there. So 1-7 lost 2. If you're watching the stream, if you're new, feel free to say hi in the chat, ask questions. 6790 is our P&L. Our new total is 80,670. Yeah, and like and subscribe. Always trying to build the channel. And if you're interested in trying out this software, just go here, light10.com/metatrades. $10 fee or donation will take you. Will give you 1 month access. And access to webinars and all sorts of good stuff. Good resource in learning how to day trade. All right, next day is 7/14 of 2020. And again, I've just used a random date generator to pick these days, so we get lots of different market conditions to test our strategy, which is going to get us the best results. All right, so we are not doing anything yet until our orange and thick blue agree. Still not yet. There we go. We'll take a sell here. Okay, close that out for profit. Lock it up. Go for some more. Oh man, that stinks. Get down. Oh yeah, woo! Yeah, that took us out. Took the full 5,000. Right when that happens, we get a buy, and then it goes back down. That's how it be. Keep going. Hey, ooh. Yeah, we'll lock that up. But we're going for more anyway. All right. Either way, we're good. Okay, lock that up. Still going for some more. Yeah, that first one really hurt us. Okay, we're still going here. Hey, there we go. Keep going. Okay, lock that up. Almost made up our losses there. And we are not going for more. Okay, going for a sell now. Get down. There we go. Okay, lock that up. Go for some more. Lock that up. And not going for more. Nope. Okay, now we're going to go to the next day because it's 9 o'clock. All right, so we lost $5,000 in one of our trades, so not as bad as it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins. And one loss, one big loss. Lost $12.50. That brings our total P&L to 79,420. 9/20/22 is the next day. All right. Nope. Wow, that was quite a big move down, though. It would have been nice if we got a signal to get some of that. Okay, we're getting a buy now. Okay, lock that up. We're going for, oh, nope, just kidding. Our blue is no longer agreeing. So even though we could have gotten some more, it's all right. Now you want our dotted blue to kink up here, which it probably will right now. So now we're going for some on the downside. Here we go. Okay, lock that up. Go for some more. There we go, lock that up. I wonder how this would do if I did have a set take profit, like do 2 to 1. And then maybe have a disable TP if I'm taking a second trade, going for some more. I don't know. Something else that we could possibly test sometime. But we are going for some more. Downward direction. Alright, now it's telling us to get out, take a buy. Oh, that's the worst. That's the absolute worst. Get back up there. Big move up. Big move up. Come on. Wow! Dodged a bullet there. We're actually staying in this. Ooh. Wow. Someone's calling me. Call back later. Yeah, we got almost... we still had some room, actually. But still, it moved quite a bit. Okay, lock that up. Awesome. Let's get a little closer, actually. There. Alright, we want our blue to agree. Our thick blue. Big blue. Alright, that's actually end of the day, so... Quarter results here. 4 wins, 1 loss. And 1990. And now our total P&L is 81,410. You need to check this text message I just got. All right, so new high. Oh, I'm curious about this though. This is on I did a 5-minute chart instead of a 10-minute, and I'll have to do some more testing on that. Okay, next day. 7/8/2020. Again, I'm just using a random date generator to pick these days. Get a variety of different market conditions to get quality back testing. Because what you'll find is that, like, if you're just a back test a month, it could just happen to be that the conditions of that month work well with your strategy, and then another month you like lose everything. Just because market conditions are suitable for certain strategies, and it can change on the fly, so I always like to get a variety of different market conditions to get a little bit better backtesting results. We're going to take a sell here. Whoa. Get down. Get down. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh man. Oh. And it keeps one. Oh. This is what happened, yeah, the last day. All right. Oh, we can't lock it up yet. There we go. We'll lock that up. So we're down about 2,500. Ended up getting $470 gain. That's nice. Okay. Okay, now we're just waiting for our team to use the lineup how we want them to. Nope. There we go. Take a buy. Here we go. Here we go. All right, lock that up. And not going for more because our blue is not agreeing anymore. We're gonna go for sell now. This is why I like to keep the pressure lines up, because this is actually a really good looking entry candle relative to our pressure. So I like what's going on. All right, lock that up. It's good. I'm gonna go for more. Hey, oh. Oh. Get back down. There we go. There we go. Let's lock it up. Okay, nice. You know what? I should have locked it up right here. Let's go back and redo that because we want to make sure our results are accurate. It's 42 is where we entered. So go ahead and do that again. Keep a closer eye on our TNT lines, making sure we're closing trades when we're supposed to. Ooh, which actually would be right here. So we should have locked this, well, ended it for a loss is what our trade plan would have had us do, but then we would have had us take a buy. Oh, man. All right, so we'll actualize that, and then, yeah, it's telling us to buy. I don't think this is going to go how we want it to. Really not going to go how we want it to. Oh, wait, I should have ended this right here. Oh, darn. See, this is why you gotta make sure you're doing it right, because if I had been trading this strategy and I've been, you don't want to BS your back testing. If I BS this, I would have been up 3,000. My results would have looked a lot better than what I'm actually going to get in live market. So you always want to be as unemotional as possible with your back testing and make sure you're following all of your rules to a T, because it's not going to benefit you to get good looking numbers to back test if it's just if it's just not going to do on a live market because you're fudging everything. All right, 3 wins, 2 losses. 760. Still end of the day with a win. 82, 170. 622.22 is our next day. And again, if you want to try out this charting platform, it's just right here, light10.com/meta-trades. $10 gets you access for a month. All right, we're going to... Normally this would be a sell, right here, but I do think I want to go one tick forward. Yeah. Just to get that post, get our updated TNT lines at the beginning. So but I haven't been back testing like that up to this point. You know what? We're just gonna stick with what we've been doing. So we'll just take it. Okay, lock that up. Okay, we're not going for more. In fact, we're gonna go for not a buy. Not yet. Okay, now we can take a sell. Woo! Come on, get down. And did that close above? I don't think so. All right, so we're still in it. And glad we are still in it. Awesome trade. All right, and not going for more since our blue's no longer agreeing. Next trade's probably going to be buy. Yep, there it is. There's our buy. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Darn it. Okay, our exit was right here, and we're actually exiting into a sell. So hopefully that mitigates a little bit of what we just lost there. Okay, a tiny bit. And I'm gonna go for more per our rules and strategy. All right, lock that up. Okay, cool. Profitable day. It's good. 1-4, lost 1. $7.90 P now for the day. Now we are up to 84,960. And this is 44 days of trading, almost $85,000 profit. It is worth noting there was one day that was $20,000 in one day. There's been a couple. Let's see, 13,000 one day, 13,000 another day, 6,000, 5,000. And our biggest losing day, I believe. Let's see, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 5,400. All right, worst day we lost 5,400. And I don't think we actually have had. Okay, we have had one time where we've had 2 losing days in a row, which is actually really cool. But then again, it depends on market conditions. These are random days, so this is more or less just to give me more of a win rate overall over time, as opposed to what you could expect in individual months. But the next day is 12/2 of 20. Ooh, neck popped. Okay. Yeah, not going for a sell yet. Okay, now we're going for a sell. Should have went for a sell. It's like $1,000 right there. Okay, Lock that up. Let's go for more. Get back down. Darn. All right. So right here, we're closing that into a buy. Ah, you know what? I am curious as to how well this strategy would work on yen pairs. Okay, lock that up. Go for more. Hey, hey, there we go. Oh, that's news based. You know what? This is what's hard about back testing too. So this movement is definitely a reaction to some news, and where I would have entered that trade, there probably would have been some crazy spreads going on, and probably wouldn't have turned out exactly the way that it does in back testing. Yeah. All right, let's see. We're not going for more here. In fact, we're probably gonna be looking for some downward sells here. Or it's just gonna keep going up. Wow. Oh, interesting. Okay. So here I'm getting a buy. Look at all that. That's big. Oh, no. I kind of just want to... okay. All right. I was just about to say, I kind of want to end that trade. Just emotional thoughts. Okay. Well, good day. 1-4, lost 1. $2,900 brings us up to 87,860. Lovely. 211.21's the next day. Okay, take a buy here. Oh, that, oof, ah, ooh. Get back up. Okay, so we're getting a signal to close this trade. Not to sell though. Not yet. Oh, man. Getting weird, weird things going on in the TNT lines. And let's see if we can get a buy here. There's a buy. Wow. Oh. Huh. Wow. Lock that in. And go. Oh, nope. Nope. Don't go for more. Blue's not agreeing. We are getting a sell though. It's kind of nice when all these flip at the same time in the way that you want them to. Okay, close. Lock that up. And go for more. Nice. Yeah, sometimes at 9 o'clock you get a pretty decent move, so I usually don't like going past 9, but with this strategy it seems to be okay. And that is a good amount that we just locked up there. So now 11:40 for the day. Three wins, one loss. And now our total is 89,000 on the dot. Let's see if we can get a big day. I want to get another 20,000, or at least 10,000 day. Next day is 323.22. Alright, TNTs aren't quite in line. There we are. We're going to go for a buy here. Nice. Okay, lock that up. Go for more. Lock that up. Go for more. Did I miss it? There it is. Nice. Okay, lock that up. Not going for more. And now we're going to sell. Nice. Very nice. Hey, right when I'm like, hey, I want a $10,000 day. All right, lock that up. We getting close. Okay, we're not going to go for more there. Take a buy. Of course, we're probably going to have to give some back, though. Oh, hopefully not too much. Hey, keep going. Oh, yes. Look at that. Look at that. Right when I'm like, hey, I want another $10,000 day. There we go. We're not done. I kind of want to be, though. Don't want to give this back. Oh. Oh, hang on. Should we have taken that? Yes, unfortunately. We're probably going to give a good amount back here. And we are closing it right here. Okay, all right. Well, we almost had a $10,000 day. We were up $10,000, but we had to give some back. Yeah, in the real market or live trading, I probably wouldn't have taken that last trade just because I wouldn't have wanted to ruin that $10,000 gain. But we're back testing and we want accurate results. So we're taking every trade whenever there's a signal. But still, really good day. 5 trades, 1 loss. 5 wins, 1 loss. 91.50, which brings us to 98.150. Getting close to 100,000. 11.25.21. That's the next day. Okay. Nothing there. Blue doesn't agree. And now it does. We're going to take this buy. Very nice. Oh! gonna close eye. All right, technically getting another buy here, so that's good news for our current trade. Still haven't gotten the signal to get out though. Oh, 8 o'clock news. That hurts. All right, let's bounce back up, huh? All right, closing that into a sell. Okay, lock that up. Go for more. Okay, we do close right here because our orange is pointing up and dark blue is pointing down, which is good because that mitigates some losses there, but not telling us to buy quite yet. And there's a buy. All right, let's see if we can make up our losses here. Okay, lock that up. 11.25. Gosh, this is a weird moving market. Oh, you know what? Is that a sell? That's a sell. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Here we go. Let's end up green. That did close above. So we mitigate a little bit of our losses. And we're going for more though. Get down. Okay. Not. Okay, here's our signal to get out. All right, so losing day, not terrible. So 3 wins, 3 losses. Lost 1440. Didn't get 100. 96, 710. Oh, we're close to 100. 615.23. Next day. Holy cow. Let's. Yeah, not taking a sell there. Or a buy? What was that telling me to do? Tell me to sell. We are getting a buy right here. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Get up there. There we go. $8,000 trade. Whoo! Yeah, I'm probably calling it a day at that point. And it's actually going for more. All right, locked in a little bit more there. All right, now, well, actually, I want to double check that, make sure I was supposed to go for more there. 802, 758. Yeah, probably. Yeah, we're good to go for more there. Okay. Okay, but we are actually getting a sell right. When did this close? 802. actually need to go back and redo this trade because we got out at the wrong time. 758. Yeah, too far. There it is. We're supposed to get out right here due to this pointing down and this pointing up, and we're actually ending this into a sell. Which is not going to go our way initially, at least. Just overbought. Which is why it wants to give us sell signals. Oh, man. Get down. Oh, man. We got the full 5,000 loss there. Still up $4,000 though. And it wants us to go up. Oh, how silly. Now it's going to go down. Of course. Oh, man. Are we really going to lose all of our... Oh, that is so funny. Okay, that's where it's telling us to cut the cord into a sell. Oh. Okay, and we still had a decent day. That's funny though, but not the $9,000 day that we had with the first two trades. Yeah, like I said, we probably would have called it a day in the live market with an $8,000 trade at the very start. Just because when the market gives a lot, it tends to take a lot back if you get greedy. But again, we're just back testing. We're just getting data here. So we're just taking all the trades when we get the signal. 3 wins, 2 losses, 1890 profit, 98,600 total. Getting close at 100. I'm really liking this trade plan though. It's simple and it seems to be pretty freaking effective so far. 113.23 is the next day. Okay, nothing there. Blue doesn't agree. Thick blue, rather. Okay, now we're getting a sell right here. Whoa. That is a mighty ask. And then we're just gonna randomly take a sell here. Price action traders are probably looking at that and thinking, what the crap? What are you doing, bro? Alright. Hey, it won. $1,200. It's asking for more. Alright. I like what's happening right now. Take that, price action traders. I'm actually just jealous of successful price action traders because I can't do it. I'll stick to my indicators. Thank you. Where did I end this trade? 803. Okay, so right here. We're asking for more. Okay. Don't give it all back. Alright, we exit right here into a buy. That's unfortunate that we gave all that back. Going into a buy though. I think this is messy because there's probably a level there. Okay. Close that. It wants to ask for more. Okay. Lock that up. It's asking for more. Hey, here we go. Here we go. Breakthrough. Breakthrough. Sick. Alright, so we clawed all that back. Scary though, because like that's a heck of a resistance right there probably, especially after such a big move. Yeah. Anyway, that's enough price action talk. Actually 48. Okay, so it is actually telling us to sell now. I appreciate price action, but it's not what I trade with. Yeah, it's just not my style. I'm familiar with it though, so I can, you know, tell that, you know, breakthrough here, and you know that trade I just took, we're just looking for maybe a pull back to that level there. Where it, let's see how right I am. Pulls back to this level here, then goes up from there. That would be my price action analysis. Hey, look, would you look at that? I wasn't wrong. It just took a little longer to do it. Okay. 6 wins, 1 loss. Good day. And we have broke a grand, 100 grand. For 840. That puts us at 103, 440. 440. Whoo! Still have a lot of days left. This is interesting though. Win rate 70, almost 72%. I mean, that's profitable at a 2-to-1 risk reward, but that's not. We're not doing anything that resembles that. I mean, basically, we have a stop loss set at 500 points. So 10 lots, that's a $5,000. So the most we can lose on a single trade is $5,000. But it doesn't happen too often. It does happen, but that's like disaster insurance. All right, next day is 9/10/21. We'll probably do a few more days and then we'll call it quits. Maybe. We'll see how we feel. But yeah, 50 trading days, and we've increased $103,000. So if that's a $100,000 account, you're basically doubling the account every 2 months. Yeah, it'd take a little more than 2 months. But yeah, 45-ish% a month. Not bad. Not bad at all. And again, we're trying to be as honest and as strict with our rules as we can when we're back testing, because we do want, if we're going to get really good results back testing, we want to replicate those results in the live market. All right, first thing, all right, no trades at the start, and we're going to take a sell here. Woohoo! Woo! Okay, lock that up. Okay, looking at our TNT lines, waiting for our setup again. What we're looking for is for the thin orange and dotted blue to point opposite directions. We take a trade in the direction of the orange is pointing, and we want blue to face the same way as the orange, the thick blue. So that's our entry. Okay, there it is. And our exit is basically if we get an opposite, if these face opposite of each other in the opposite direction that we took the trade, or if we're in profit and if our bar closes below the body of the previous candle, which will make more sense when we get to that again. But this trade isn't looking good. Oh, looking better. Get up there. Get it. A little more. There we go. Okay, hang on. Still going up. All right, so right here we're getting our signal to exit that trade for a sell into a sell. So let's hope it keeps going down. Okay, so this is an example of when I would get out. So I'm in profit, candle closed above the body of the previous candle, close that out for profit, lock it up. But we're still getting the signal here, so we're going to go for more. And it doesn't want to give it to us. Not yet. Oh, that's painful. Okay. All right, I am getting a signal to get out. Let's see, I do kind of want this to make its way. Yeah, TNTs aren't giving me much to work with here. All right, so losing day, not terrible. 1-2 lost 2. Lost that much. Our new total P&L 102,410. All right, 12-15 of 21. Next day. And I think we'll call it quits after this last day. All right. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Oh, but you know what? I need to kind of stick with what I've been doing. Oh, and I've been doing a little bit of both. I feel like I'm fudging this one just a little bit. I think we decided that we are going to take those earlier. We were going for more, though. Are we? Yeah. There we go. Get down. Aww. Okay, we are taken outright there into a buy. Very nice. Okay, lock that up. Okay, we can go for more. Keep an eye on my TNT lines. Okay, we're still in it. Our blue is not. Oh wait, hang on. We would have been taken out, right? Right here. Okay. So, orange is down. Thin blue's up. And we're actually closing this into a sell since our thick blue also is pointing down. There we go. Okay, close that, lock it up, and go for more since our TNTs are still in that position. We would have closed it out here if we were still in profit, but we're not. Which probably would have been to our benefit if we did. Ooh, most definitely would have. We are closing this one out here into a buy. Let's see if we can claw some. Ooh, yeah, I was gonna say see if we can claw some of that back, but it looks like the market wants to claw back what we've taken from it. Oh, ugly, 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 ugly. Get up. Still keeping an eye on my TNTs. I'm actually surprised we didn't get closed. Okay, now we're getting closed out into a buy. Ah, man. Ah. Oh, we had so good for a little bit. Just taking all the trades. Into a buy. Alright, claw some back here. Alright, a little bit. And wants to go for a little more here. Here we go. All right, all right. A little bit more there. Okay, so that's the day. 1830 profit. Better than losing. Oh, where did my chart go? There it is. All right, so we took 9 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins, 4 losses. For a gain of 18 and 30, for a total of 104, 240. All right, so I think I'm gonna call it there. We'll do some more. We might hop on and do some more of this tomorrow. Our win rate is actually going down, which is interesting. But our P&L is still going up. We have a nice steady growth curve. And if we didn't have a super lucky day at the very start here, we'd still be at $85,000. Yeah, almost $21,000 is our best day. 13, 13, 7, 7, 5, 6, 9. I think our worst day was a little over 5,000. 5. Where's our biggest losing day so far? Thought it was, there it is, 5,800, almost 6,000. All right. Well, folks, I think I'm gonna call it there. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I'm doing a series right now where we're going through each of these indicators individually, just basically my hot take on them and how I look at them and use them. So, all right, folks.